The Contemptor Dreadnought. Regarded by many as the most advanced and powerful pattern of dreadnought in the arsenal of the Great Crusade, the Contemptor is a relatively recent design that incorporates not only traditional dreadnought technologies, but arcane systems drawn from the ancient and guarded lore of the Legio Cybernetica of the Mechanica. Principal among these is a compact atomantic arc reactor, more powerful by far than anything of its size in Imperial manufacture. The abundance of energy it creates and generates can be used to grant the dreadnought frame speed and strength, as well as power defensive energy field systems to further increase its battlefield durability. These advantages over the older Lucifer and Castroferrum pattern dreadnoughts, however, are not without their price. The Contemptor requires higher levels of maintenance than most previous designs, while the arc reactor, if breached, is prone to catastrophic failure, dooming the Contemptor chassis to utter destruction. Regardless, the Contemptor's power has found it a place within every legion, and demand for the new chassis is high.